Okay, so let's talk about the three sauces. They're all very different. This one here is a pepper sauce. It's a brewed pepper mash. It's not a chili, it's brewed pepper. It's got an amazing flavour, and when I describe it to people, I describe it as you think it's going to really burn you, but it doesn't. It actually just bites, fills your mouth with the full brewed flavour of peppers, and then falls back to a lovely lemony accent. I really like it on bacon and eggs, but especially the fried tomato. It loves tomato. It would marry the tomato if it could. This is a jalapeno sauce. I'm surprised. I love jalapeno, and I'm surprised when people say I just don't like the taste of jalapenos. Well, it's not for you then, but as a jalapeno sauce, it's got a fair bit of punch, and it's a beautiful flavour of jalapeno. And lastly, we have one called Soapy Mama Hot. I wouldn't have called it a hot sauce because it's really not that hot, but it does have a magnificent flavour. It is chili based, and one of the recipes I use is roast chicken on a bed of spinach. I put mayonnaise on, and then I put this all over the mayonnaise. It's like an aioli, and it's just delicious. I also use it on tuna when I'm trying to lose a bit of weight and have protein at lunchtime. And on the tuna, it makes it very, very palatable. That's the three sauces.